Hello everyone, this is Mr. Underkoffler. Today we're going to be looking at the guided notes called Area of the Shaded Region. Alright, follow along with me here as I read this out loud. Area of the shaded region equals the difference, which means subtracting, of the area of the total or complete shape, and then minus the area of the unshaded region. And sometimes you might even have multiple unshaded regions. So our first example is going to look like this. You can see we have a rectangle inside of a bigger rectangle, and the shaded region is this equally wide space going around. This is not just going to be as simple as doing length times width to get the area of the shaded region, because there's a rectangle inside that's not shaded. So what do? Step one, we're going to find the total length and the total width of the complete rectangle. Well, how do I do that? Let's pay attention. We know that this little section here is 5 feet wide, but therefore it is also 5 feet wide here. Likewise, 5 feet tall here, and therefore also this section here is 5 feet tall. So if this is 5 feet and this is 5 feet, then we are talking about a total of 10 extra feet that we are going to add on to the 28 feet. So 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 28 is going to give us a total length of 38. Likewise, if this is 5 feet tall and this section here is also 5 feet tall, then we are going to add it to the section here that is 14 feet tall. So let's do this together. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 14 is 24 feet. Go ahead and fill in those blanks. All right, so that's step one. Step two, we're going to find the area of the complete shape. And then step three, we're going to find the area of the unshaded rectangle inside. So let's do this together. Area of a rectangle is length times width. An L will look too much like a 1 if you don't make it cursive, so that's why I made this a lowercase cursive L. So length times width for the complete shape. Well, that would be 38 complete length and 24 for the complete width. We're going to multiply those together. Go ahead and get your calculators out if you haven't already. Hit pause if you need to. 38 times 24 is going to give you a complete area of 912 square feet. That's for the entire rectangle. Now, let's do the same thing for the area of the unshaded region. The unshaded rectangle inside was 20 feet long and 14 feet wide. So let's go ahead and multiply those numbers together. And we're going to get 392 square feet. After you do that, you can simply just subtract the area of the entire rectangle minus the area of the rectangle that was inside that was not shaded. And that will leave you the area of this 5 foot wide walkway or whatever this was going around the rectangle inside. So let's go ahead and subtract. 912 minus 392 is going to give us 520, and this is square feet. As you probably learned in 6th grade math, area is square units, and we show that by putting a little 2 in the corner of the feet. All right, now that I led you through problem number 1, let's have you try problem number 2 on your own. So go ahead and hit pause now, do number 2 on your own, and then hit play when you're ready to see how you did. All right, so we got 7 feet going around the whole way around this rectangle inside. So did you find the total height and the total width? So if it is 7 here and 7 here, and we know it is 33 inches long or tall here, then we should add 7 and 7, which is 14, plus 33, would give you, oh, wait for it, 47 inches. Now, again, if you're like, wait, Underkoffler, what did you just do? 7 inches tall here, 7 inches tall up there, 7 and 7 is 14, 14 plus 33 is 47. Now, we're going to do the same thing going across. We know that going across is 7 inches here, 7 inches here, and 18 inches going across here. So 7 and 7, again, is 14, plus 18 will give you a total width of 32 inches. Again, if you didn't catch how I got that, 7 and 7 is 14, plus 18 is 32 inches. All right, so let's find the complete rectangle's area first. 47 times 32, and that should have given you 1,504 square inches. Now, the area of this rectangle inside that's not shaded, 18 times 33. Multiply that, and you should get 594. Then we will subtract and get the final area of this little shaded border going around is 910 square inches. And that's it for this very simple little introduction to area of the shaded region. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.